Everyone, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope my lovely YouTube family you will be fine and you will see the stylish and unique cross stitch hand embroidery design. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, unique, best cross stitch flower designs ideas below my channel. Latest, unique, and most beautiful and outstanding all best collections and best fancy cross stitch hand embroidery designs with border designs ideas below my channel. Guys, for watching my all videos. Edible, unique, new all collections and best patterns, best fancy hand embroidery designs with flower designs ideas. More than hundreds of new designs, ideas, all best patterns and unique new best cross stitch and embroidery designs, cross stitch flower designs, latest unique new best patterns and best stylish all cross stitch flower designs ideas and unique new best patterns in 2023 upcoming unique new all embroidery designs. Thanks for watching my all videos, latest unique and outstanding all collections and 2023 upcoming unique new best and embroidery designs with flower designs ideas, creative and unique new all collections and best patterns, best fancy embroidery designs with different frame hand embroidery designs. Edible, unique, new all best patterns and best fancy hand embroidery designs with different collections and different flower designs ideas on my channels. Latest, unique, and more than hundreds of new designs, ideas, creative and attractive all best patterns and stylish best cross stitch hand embroidery designs with border designs ideas and different style, different flowers hand embroidery designs ideas on my channel. Latest, unique, and most beautiful all best patterns and best fancy embroidery designs with flower designs ideas. So to the next video guys, and for watching my all videos, adorable, unique, new all collections and best patterns. Unique new all hand embroidery designs 2023 upcoming and unique new best patterns and stylish best cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas. So guys, for watching my all videos, adorable, unique, new best patterns and best cross stitch hand embroidery designs with border designs ideas on my channels, creative, unique, new all collections and 2020 upcoming and unique new best hand embroidery designs, latest, unique, new all collections and best patterns.